These were accumulated leave days undertaken by Domelevo, according to the presidency. The presidency, in a letter on June 29, 2020, initially directed Daniel Domelevo to embark on a 123 working day mandatory leave. According to the letter, the then Auditor General, since the appointment in 2016, had taken only 9 out of his 132 working days leave. The presidency at the time insisted that the actions of the president were grounded in law, as the Labour Act mandates all public sector workers, including the Auditor General, to take the mandatory leave for which they cannot forfeit. The presidency, in justifying the decision, cited what it described as a similar decision taken by late President Atamios, directing then Auditor General Edward Agyemang to go on an accumulated leave. This decision was rejected by Daniel Domelevo, who pointed out to the president that he had no powers to take such a decision. In an interesting response, the president added 44 more days to the accumulated leave, making it 167. The Center for Democratic Development and 9 other civil society organizations, who described the move as an affront to the independence of the office, applied to the Supreme Court for a declaration that the action by the president was unconstitutional and null and void. The suit, filed in October 2020, was necessitated by failure of President Akufo-Addo to rescind the directive after several appeals. The Apex Court, after 2 years of hearing the matter, on Wednesday delivered its judgment and upheld the plea of the applicants. While the decision has been warmly received, the delay in resolving the matter timeously has been criticized. Daniel Domelevo, however, says it's better late than never.
A good decision which has come at long last, and there are several people who reach out to me to say, is justice delayed, which is justice denied? But my response to them always is that I think the justices of the Supreme Court know better, so they know why this time and not earlier on. But let me say that from my point of view, it's better late than never. So from today going, I don't think that will be repeated on any constitutional body or any Auditor General. That is my happiness.
The former Auditor General, however, says is only concerned that the high office of the president is involved in such an illegality. He has thus urged the president to respect the Constitution.
But I'm equally sad that the highest office of the land, which is the presidency, is at the forefront of not respecting the Constitution of the country. I found it a bit disturbing. And even when I drew their attention, they told me that because I am not a lawyer, I don't appreciate the law. I am hoping that they will write to the Supreme Court to tell them that they have to go back for law classes, since they have upheld the position that I was pushing forward.
Asked whether he wants to seek further actions based on the judgment, Daniel Domelevo answered in the negative.
What type of redress? The battle is for the Lord. The most important thing is that the Supreme Court has spoken and clarified what the situation is. And I'm happy they've done that, because many Ghanaians thought that there were some things untoward that I had done, which is the reason why the presidency said I should take the lead. So now that I think I feel vindicated, I don't think I need any redress beyond that. Many people have suggested it, and I jokingly tell them that, look, why would I take redress so to get compensation from taxpayers who did nothing to me because of a president who doesn't pay tax? So I'm not interested in any further action.